Hello everyone, very good morning all of you. Hi, how are you all? Thasin, Ammu, Sangeeta, Chandrika, Rishi, Divya. How are you everyone? Very good morning. All of you are fine. How is your preparation going on? Good morning, good morning. Yes, I hope I am audible, visible, everything is fine. Audio, video, everything clear, right? Yes. So here we will do the software engineering division. This is the unit 6 software engineering. So the last week we did unit 1 to unit 5. Those who did not watch must watch the recording. Here in this channel only you can get, because here all the 10 unit revision is going on. And after the class definitely you can download the PDF from Unacademy platform. That is the free PDF. What you have to do to download the PDF, because everyone is very much interested to download the PDF. So you have to go to my profile on Unacademy platform. From your mobile you can winner first time watching you online. Wow, thank you. So what you can do that you can go to my profile and you can download the PDF from the community. For that you have to install Unacademy app, and after that you have to register yourself on Unacademy platform for NTA UGC NET category. And under NTA UGC NET category you can get the community, that is Priyanka Chatterjee, and there I will post, and previous all the other unit also I have posted there. So you can download the PDF. And if you are planning to take subscription, so this is the new batch already started for PYQS. This subscription you can take. Here we are going to we are covering paper 1 and paper 2 all PYQS. Other than that, there is crash course is also going on. For me, crash course morning session is going on. This is the afternoon session, 2:30 p.m. You can watch complete course, you can watch crash course, everything you can go to there. And after that, here there is a subscription offer is going on till tomorrow, today till 15th actually. So if you are taking this subscription, this is a very good offer, because in this subscription you are going to get 20% off. And after that if you are taking 6 months, you will get 2 months extra, means 8 months you can avail within this price, 11,229. And if you are taking 1 year subscription, with 1 year you are getting 4 months, means total 16 months you can avail within 14,000. So it is really a good offer. Must take this opportunity, because with this same subscription you can avail everything, and this offer is till 15th only. So now let's start. Here we will do what are the topics we are going to cover under software engineering. All the important topic, software engineering process, software elicitation, specification, requirement, different types of requirement, the SDLC model, all the SDLC model, what are the difference. After that next one is coupling, cohesion, what are the different types of coupling, cohesion. And SCM, what is actually SCM. Under testing, what are the different types of testing. Then maintenance, what are the different types of maintenance. Re-engineering, reverse engineering, what is MVC, what is SCM. And CMM model, all the CMM model also we will do. Clean room approach. Then the all the theoretical topic, ultimately it will be covered from software engineering. Ma'am, unit 5, sorry, I forgot that. Today I will upload unit 5, unit 6 both. Okay, unit 5 and 6 both we will upload today. But you can download it after the class only, I will upload. So let's start, because these are the very important theories of software engineering. So let's start it. And you can recall also, and you can write it down, that yes, whatever you are able to recall, what are the points, important things, everything. Don't be silent in the class, be active, Be ready with the chat section. So requirement engineering process, nowadays it is very important, requirement engineering process, because in the requirement engineering process last year 2022 there was 3 questions from only requirement engineering process. So requirement engineering process of defining, documenting and the maintenance of maintaining the requirement. Okay. So main activities, what are the main activities? Requirement elicitation, requirement specification, requirement verification and validation, and requirement management. So what you can understand, what is your understanding about requirement elicitation? What is the meaning of elicitation? Can you tell me? What is the meaning of elicitation? Can you tell me what is the meaning of requirement elicitation? It's okay, Shangita, no problem. Tell me. Requirement elicitation means gaining knowledge. Gaining knowledge about what? Gaining knowledge about what? Yes, gathering knowledge about the software, what to be developed, means actually the domain knowledge, how to do it, what to do it, what to do. Requirement gathering means we will gather here requirement, that what types of domain, what types of work we are going to do here. That is called requirement elicitation. Next one is the requirement specification. So what is specification? What is specification? What is specification? What do you think about specification? These are the terminologies, very important, very important terminologies under software engineering. Specification means what? Specification means specifying, means elicitation, overall idea. Elicitation, we got the overall idea, and specification means actually according to different functionality, that functionality to be specified, that yes, I want exactly this functionality, I want to build this hospital management, and in that hospital management these are the functionalities I am going, this is my actual requirement. So all this specification of different functionalities have to be there. Next one is the verification and validation. What is the difference between verification and validation? These two words are very important under software engineering. The difference between verification and validation, which one coming first and which one going later? Verification is fast or validation is fast? Verification is fast or validation is fast? Yes, verification means it is actually the document verification, means after elicitation and specification we will prepare the document, and after that document will be verified according to customer requirement. It will verify according to customer requirement that is it correct, verify is it correct document or not. That is verification. And validation means actually the after development we are validating it, the customer according to the customer requirement, the whatever project we build, whatever product we build, the product is actually correct or not, that is validation. And this is requirement management means requirement is started, it is started to work on that requirement, that is that managing requirement, like what are the priority wise, according to the priority wise when it is working, that is called the requirement management. So you can see the requirement elicitation is the knowledge about the project domain. How we are gathering it, like brainstorming, task analysis, Delphi technique or prototyping. Like this way we will gather the knowledge about the domain. This is called the requirement elicitation. Next one is the requirement specification, software requirement model, all the functional and the non-functional requirement, constraint, trigger in the elicitation process. It include ER diagram, DFD, functional decomposition diagram, everything will be there in this requirement specification, means specifying according to the functionality. That is the requirement specification. Next one is the requirement verification and validation. So verification, it's referred to the set of tasks that ensure the software correctly implements a specific function. Each and every specific function we are verifying it's correctly built. And validation referred to a different set of tasks that ensure the software has been built, it's traceable to the customer requirement, means already all the functionalities built together, ultimately now the total task, whatever our target was, we want to do the login, this task is successfully going on as per the customer requirement, that is validating. And here the requirement should be consistent, these are the some specific character, main steps, process should be followed, it should be consistent, it should be complete, and it should be practically achievable also. These are the main 3 points and steps to follow in this process. So requirement management, what is requirement management? Management means it is analyzing, documenting, tracking and prioritizing, that is which requirement is fast, what are the requirement we will build fast, what are the requirement we will get next, that is the prioritizing and agreeing on the requirement. Customer is giving you lots of requirement, now developer have to agree with that, development company have to agree with that, yes these are the requirement we can build, these are the requirement it's not possible, these are some something not possible, these are some absurd requirement or we are not able to do it. So the agreement also a part of requirement management, changing nature of requirement, end user stages, these are the main point of requirement management. Now classification of software requirement, when we are coming to the classification, actually there are 3 types of software requirement: functional requirement, non-functional requirement and the domain requirement. So what do you think, what are the requirement are functional requirement? What are the requirements are functional requirement? What do you think? Functional requirement. What are the functional requirement? Functional means what, non-functional means what, and domain requirements means what? How we can identify this is the functional requirement, this is non-functional and this is the domain. Calculation, data manipulation, coding, software development, behave, number of loop, lines of code. Yes, these are functionality related. What can be, what are the functionality related? That is functional. And non-functional, what are the non-functional requirement? What are the non-functional requirement and domain requirement? Yes, very good. Non-functional are performance, reliability. Yes, that cannot be countable. Actually, these are quantitative measure, these are qualitative measure. Mainly the difference between functional and non-functional. Just like in research aptitude, you learn that qualitative research and quantitative research, what can be countable, like how many loops and all these are the countable, that is functional requirement. Non-functional means like quality, reliability, performance, these are not countable, these are qualitative, that's why these are non-functional. And domain requirement means that what domain we are working. Yes, so here you can see the functional requirements. Software called with the functional requirement, basic like calculation, manipulation, business process, interaction, whatever we will build the functionality related, that are the functional requirement. Non-functional requirement, portability, security, maintainability, reliability, scalability, performance, reusability and flexibility. Just go through it and tell me the what are the non-functional requirement you are able to remember. I have here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Out of these 8, who can tell me? Write down in the comment section. What are the non-functional requirements? Write down in the comment section. Non-functional requirements are very very important. Questions are coming from here. What are the non-functional requirement? Write down in the comment section. 8 requirements was there that are non-functional. Out of the 8, how much you are able to remember? Write down it quickly. In short form also you can write. Revision means it's your revision. Revision means not my revision. You will revise with me by chat, by talking, by commenting, so that your revision will be done. Yes, portability, security, reliability, scalability, performance, reusability, flexibility. Good, good, very good, very good. All are writing here. Portability, security, maintainability, reliability. Good, 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 very good. The domain requirement is the particular category or the domain of the project. Domain requirement can be functional also, non-functional also. Like what type of developer will be now needed, how many developers will be needed, what will be the quality of the things and all this domain. Domain requirement, it can protect the defined requirement and all. So this is the domain requirement. So these are the main quality of a good SRS. It is also very very important. Questions are coming from here. Quality of the good SRS. What are the good quality of a good SRS? Correctness, completeness, consistency, unambiguous. It should not be ambiguous, means two interpretation. This is very very important. 2 times question came from here. A requirement should be unambiguous. SRS should be unambiguous. Someone written something and the interpretation is coming different, that is not unambiguous. There should not be two meaning of a common sentence. Only one interpretation should be there. And ranking for the importance and stability, modifiability, verifiability, traceability, design independence, testability, understandable by the customer, and right level of abstraction. These are the main qualities of SRS. Go through it, try to remember it, and after that you have to write it down in the chat box. Write it down in the chat box. What are the good quality of SRS? How much you are able to remember? Whatever you are able to remember, you need to write it down. All of you. Just go through it. I am giving you 1 minute time. Go through it. Try to remember it. Then I will change the slide and you have to write it down in the chat box. Yes, now write down. Now write down quality of the good SRS. What are the quality of the good SRS? Write down quality of the good SRS. Yes, Mumtaz wrote correctness. Then is it only correctness? Write down, all of you. Chandrika, correctness, complete, consistent, unambiguous, modifiable, verifiable, stability, traceable, understandable. Good, very good, all of you, very good. I can see everyone is writing. Great. So here whatever you missed, you can check here: correctness, completeness, consistency, unambiguous, ranking, modifiability, verifiability, traceability, design independence, testability, understandable by the customer, and right level of abstraction. Right level of abstraction means data hiding should be maintained. Everyone is accessing anything, it should not be there. Yes, good everyone. So now these are the actually steps of the software development. When we are going to develop the software, this under the SDLC model, first whatever steps is there, first of all analysis, then design, then implementation, then testing, then release, then maintenance. These are the main life cycle under the software life cycle. This is the most important 5 steps of the software life cycle: analysis, design, implementation, testing, release and maintenance. So what are the 5 steps of software life cycle? As per the sequence you need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the steps of the software life cycle. 5 steps of the software life cycle. Write down. What are the 5 steps? Yes, analysis, design, implementation, testing, requirement, maintenance. Yes, analysis, design, implementation, testing, and after that release and maintenance. Actually release you can write, this is 5 and this is 6th actually. So release you can write, or you may write, you may not write. This is a intermediate, means you can take it or you may not take it also, but ultimately maintenance have to be there. Yes, now these are the different model under the SDLC. These are the different model, and these models are also very important. First one is the waterfall model. Waterfall model, how it is working? Main concept of waterfall model is water can go down but it cannot go up, right? Water can go down one by one stepwise, but it cannot go up. So same thing in the waterfall model, one step will be completed. First of all, requirement gathering is done. After that, when it's come to design step, then before that it cannot go to again analysis step. It cannot go to analysis step. Whenever this part is completed, then only design will be started. Whenever design completed, then only implementation will be started. In between you cannot go up. That is the waterfall model, and it's not good for when requirements are ambiguous, frequent interaction with the customer are required, then we cannot go for waterfall model. Prototype model, when we are using prototype model, when customer is not able to explain the requirement, customer is not sure about that what type of project, what type of product I want to build, then we have to show some dummy to the customer so that customer can understand, okay, this is the thing I want to do. So this is called the prototype, useful when requirement is not clear and the interaction with the customer and experimenting the initial version of the software result is high satisfaction. That is called the prototype model. Actually we are showing the dummy to the customer, not the complete one, only the minimum part to the customer, so that whenever customer will be happy with that, then we can go for the development. Incremental and iterative. What is the main difference between incremental and iterative? Main difference between incremental and iterative is that incremental, the small part first, out of 10 unit, when you are doing first 5 unit I will do, after that next 5 unit I will do according to our target. These are the units are important, that's why I am going to do this first 5 unit, then I will do the next 5 unit. That is called the incremental model. Iterative model means from each and every unit you are doing 10%, 10%, 20% like that. All the 10 unit you are covering, but from every unit you are doing some small part. That is called the iterative model. That is the main difference. When I am doing a functionality, I am completing it. I am not touching other functionality, but one module I will complete 100% in incremental. But in iterative, all the functionality I will do part by part. Small part, 10% now, next 20% now, next 30% now, in this way. Evolutionary model is like prototype. It is a one type of prototype model only. Evolutionary is one type of prototype model. Okay, so spiral model is, who is asking that? Evolutionary is the combination of iterative and incremental model. Here also we are showing the prototype. Actually here also we are showing the prototype, and it is the combination of iterative plus incremental. Okay, so here we will deliver the system total. So many big part, deliver our system in a big bang release means total a big amount of task is done, then we are delivering it to the customer, and some initial requirement and architecture according to some dummy model also we can show. So that is the evolutionary model. Okay, evolutionary model is the combination of incremental, iterative, and sometimes if required then we can show some prototype to the customer also. That is called evolutionary model. Next one is the spiral model. In the spiral model, what we are doing? Spiral model is actually focusing on the risk. Here main factor is risk. Each and every step we are focusing on the risk. Is there any risk? Risk is a big factor of spiral model, and it is also step by step like a spiral is going on. Next one is the Agile. Ma'am, only those, yes, only these model are important. So many questions are not coming from model. So many questions are not coming from model, but these are the understanding is clear, then it's okay. Agile model is very important. Agile model, first of all, customer involvement is very important part in Agile model. Next important part is it will be divided into small sprint, like 1 to 3 weeks. Each and every sprint will be within 1 to 3 weeks. Every time, every iteration we are sending it to the customer. If customer feedback we will get, anytime any changes can be done. You have to satisfy the embrace changes. Anytime any change can be done. And Agile philosophy is focusing on the people, not the process. Means developer, as per the developer understanding, as per the developer area, whatever, how they want to do, how they want to work, according to that only we are taking decision. And it is like from the team member are taking the decision that whatever we are going to deliver now. It's not coming from the management level, like management level will force it, you have to do it now. No, there will be everyday team meeting, and after the team meeting they will fix that yes, in this sprint we are going to deliver this part. Enough time everyone will get, and slowly they will develop, and after that it will be sent to the customer. So Agile methodology is more good methodology, and that's why most of the companies are focusing now Agile methodology. Under Agile methodology, one type of framework is used, that is the Scrum. That is called the Scrum. Scrum is one type of framework. That's why Scrum Master is required nowadays. Scrum Master training is going on. So this is a one type of framework what companies are following to get to achieve the Agile methodology. Got it? These are the main important point under the all models what you have to remember. So now tell me, here you can see the evolutionary model. Evolutionary model prefer the software development when requirements are not clear. Mainly we are going then because requirement is not clear. So incrementally, part by part we will do. We will show the customer that is it clear or not. Then we will go. Then we will, if customer satisfying it, then we will go for the next increment. Like this, evolutionary is working. Okay. Another two model is there, rapid application development and rational unified model. Rapid application development is most important. Question are coming from here. When a big project we have to do in a small time. Like a project normally will take 1 year time, but we have to deliver it within 3 months. Now what to do? So then actually rapid application development is dividing the total project parallelly, so that every team can work parallelly. It will divide it into 4 teams. Everyone will work parallelly, and after that it will be combined together. That is called the rapid development model, and here uses the minimal in favor of rapid prototype and functionality equivalent to the component of the product. It will be divided, all the functionality will be divided parallelly, so that everyone can work parallel. Here rational unified model divided the development process into distinct phases and business modeling analysis for the testing. And so first phase we will do that, next phase we will do it, like that. So these are the main important parts. So I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone, all the different types of model. Next one is very important, that is coupling and cohesion. Coupling and cohesion is the very important concept under software design. Always our design should be like that. Whatever, like what are the part we are fixing in a same module, who are very much close, who are very much dependent. All the dependent unit we will put together in a same module, and that's why it is called the cohesion. And cohesion should be always high. Between the family member interaction should be high. All the family member attachment should be high. And coupling means here it is a module 1 and this is another module 2. Mainly why we are dividing the module, so that other team can work separately. So the dependency between two module, between the module, it should be low. between the module it should be low means coupling should be low. Always here coupling should be low means between the module it should be low. Okay, so always we will focus on low coupling but high cohesion. Cohesion means, what is the meaning of cohesion and coupling? Is it clear? Yes, within module is cohesion and between the module that is coupling, and coupling should be high, coupling should be low and cohesion should be high always. Yes. Now here are the 7 types of cohesion. You can see that 7 types of cohesion: functional cohesion, sequential cohesion, communicational cohesion, procedural cohesion, temporal cohesion, logical cohesion and coincidental cohesion. These 7 types of cohesion are very important. You have to remember these 7 types of cohesion always. Both perform one action at a time, that is functional. Sequential means output of one input going as an input, that is called sequential. When they are using same data, that is communicational. Very good Mumtaz, very good. Mumtaz wrote here all the understanding, very good. Procedural, different work but not related to the sequence, that is procedural. Temporal means related to time. Logical means when logically categorized, and coincidental means it is not following anything. So now tell me the sequence of coupling. Just now we have, I provide you that seven which cohesion is high and which cohesion is low, and what are the different types of cohesion. Now tell me, just now, what are the different types of cohesion? 7 types of cohesion. You need to write it down in sequence. First, second, third, fourth. Already it is written. Chandrika. Yes, what is functional? Everyone. Good. So what is functional? Very good. So what is functional? You wrote it down, that's good. Now tell me, what is functional? High cohesion, low coupling, that's good. Now tell me the main point of functional, sequential, communicational, procedural. Next, what is sequential, what is communicational, what is procedural, temporal, all cohesion, main point. Write down this functional, main point is this one. Communicational, main point. Procedural, main point. All the main concept. Okay, I can see here who are writing. Just I will call their name, those who are actively participating here. Divya, Twinkle, Sharna, Elise and Chandrika, Thasin, Nuren, Priya, Preeti, Irudhya and Celan, Renu, Mumtaz, Lavanya, Sanwar, Thasin. Yes. So only they are writing and others are silent. Silently watching will not helpful to you guys. Try to participate so that in this class only your revision will be done. Revision means not my revision, it's your revision. I will take the class, I will talk multiple times, I will remember. When you are typing, then you can recall the concept. That is most important. Yes, temporal means same, time related, they are related to time. Yes, that is functional. Renu is correct. Yes, good everyone. So how to achieve the low coupling? Eliminating the unnecessary relationship, reducing the number of necessary relationship, and easing the tightness of necessary relationship. Easing the tightness of necessary relationship. In that way we can achieve low coupling. This is the way how to achieve the low coupling. Now, what are the different types of coupling? Data coupling, stamp coupling, control coupling, common coupling, and content coupling. Data coupling, modules are intact with each other by passing the data. That is data coupling. Now come to the coupling. Stamp coupling, share the same data structure. Control coupling, communicating each other with the help of control like flag. Common coupling, use the global data, that is called the global data is common coupling. Content coupling, when another one is changing my data itself, that is content coupling. So now tell me the 5 types of coupling, the sequence, and the most important point. Acha, already Twinkle wrote that. Already Twinkle, when I am showing, then don't write it. When I am not showing, then try to recall it. Data, stamp, control, common, content. So what are the main point of data? Then stamp. What is data coupling? First of all, the sequence is important because questions are coming from sequence. Next is what type of coupling, that is also important. Data coupling, same data structure? No. No, data coupling is not same data structure. Mumtaz. Data coupling is not that. Stamp coupling is same data structure. What is data coupling? Data coupling, just passing the data. Stamp coupling, Chandrika. Good. Stamp coupling, share same data, not same data structure. Chandrika. Same data structure, that is stamp. Control coupling, flag, common coupling, global data, content coupling. One is changing the data of another one. That is content. Yes. Yes, good. Now correct. Yes, good. Very good, all of you. In that way, you need to remember and don't be confused with the data coupling and content coupling. It is only passing the data. and it is changing the data. That is actually very bad. Content coupling is changing the data. That is very bad. Now SCM, software configuration management. Software configuration management is required when everyone is working together, then everyone is working parallelly, so everyone will change also. So the change management, configuration management, it is important. So it is the task of tracking and controlling the changes in the software, part of a larger cross disciplinary field, because all the team member is working, they are working separately in their space, but maybe they are working in a same page, same thing. So whenever it will be uploaded to the server, before that the SCM will change that, check that is there any conflict, is there any problem, what was the previous version, what is the current version, what is the difference between the version. So it will maintain the version management, version, release, variant, everything will be maintained here. Every team member can work parallelly. That is the main task of the SCM. What is version? Version means whatever delivered to the customer. The release is the whatever delivered to the customer. Version means that is the difference between previous one and the current one. There is some difference. Variant means what is variant? Some hardware or software related some difference is there, but functionalities are same. That is called variant. Yes. Good. So these are the verification, validation. Already we did testing and debugging. What is the main difference between testing, debugging? Debugging is done by the developer. Developer will debug, is there any problem or not. After that developer will fix it, finding the defect and fix it. That is called debugging. Testing done by the tester. If there is a no problem, then tester will show that yes, there is no problem, you can deliver it to the customer. If there is problem, then it will raise the ticket, raise the bug, there is a problem. They will not fix it. That is the difference between debugging and testing. These two terminologies are very important in software engineering. Okay. Now next thing is that coming to under testing. What are the different types of testing? Unit testing, integration testing, validation testing, system testing. Unit testing means the module wise testing, it is working on code. Integration testing working on design. Validation testing working on requirement. System testing working on system. Right? So tell me what are the different types of testing and what is the focus of that testing? In which area that testing is going on? Sequence. Tell me the sequence. Tell me the sequence. Very good. Without asking, only Mumtaz Chandrika is writing. Version, system differ, same way, release, distributed to the customer, variant, functionally identical. Good, good, very good. This is the way how to do the revision. Very good. First of all, tell me the sequence. Unit, integration, system. Unit testing is focusing on which area? Integration testing is focusing on which area? Regression is not coming in between, Mumtaz. Regression is one type of integration testing. Here regression will not come. Regression is one type of integration. requirement. Here integration, validation and system. These are the main three. Unit testing, integration testing, validation testing and system testing. Most of you are writing acceptance, regression. These are the category. These are coming under the category. Main steps. These are the main steps. Type of testing whenever we are coming, then unit, integration, validation and system. Regression and all these are coming under type. Okay, regression, acceptance, these are coming under the type. Yes, so here you can see the difference between verification and validation. Are we building the product right and right product? That is the main things. Product rightly or right product. Now you can see the difference. Here under the integration testing it will come the regression, bottom up, top down, smoke. Under system testing it will come recovery testing, security testing, portability testing and performance testing. Under performance testing it will come to the load testing and the stress testing. These are coming under this testing category. Okay. Under this category it will come. I hope this is clear now. And according to the type of approach, these are the types of testing. These are the different level and types. These are the according to the level of testing. Be careful. According to the level of testing, that is unit testing, integration testing and system testing. When they will ask according to the approach, according to the approach there are two types of approach. One is functional or behavioral, another is implementational. Functional or behavioral means that is black box testing. Equivalence class partitioning, boundary value analysis, exception testing, cause effect testing, state based testing, pairwise testing. Yes, acceptance testing is also a level of testing. You can say that yes, acceptance testing is coming under the after system you can say acceptance. After system testing you can say here it is coming acceptance. System testing is done, then it is coming to the acceptance testing, that is alpha testing and beta testing. Okay, but regression is coming under integration. Got it? Acceptance testing after system testing you can say acceptance testing is another level, that is the next to the system. Unit, then integration, then system, then acceptance. Okay, acceptance under that alpha testing and beta testing. Two types of testing. And here according to the approach whenever we are doing, then according to the approach it is functional and functional testing and it is the implementation testing. Functional means black box, implementational means that is white box testing, which is focusing on mainly code and it is focusing on input and output. Whatever input I am giving, according to that am I getting the proper output or not, that is input or output. Okay, so here these are the all white box and black box. Tell me what are the white box testing and black box testing? What are the white box testing and what are the black box testing? Write down. White box and black box. What are those? Example, what are those? The types. Yes, the types. I am asking the types. What types of testing are coming under white box? What types of testing are coming under white box? Top down, bottom up. No, 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 no. Top down, bottom up, that is not coming under white box. It is the testing label. It is coming under the label like integration. Don't mix it. Top down, bottom up was under integration. White box will be divided according to the approach. When we are focusing on code and when we are not focusing on code. White box is only statement, branch and path. Statement coverage, branch coverage and path coverage. Black box under the approach, that is equivalence, boundary, acceptance, cause and effect, pairwise, state based. These are coming under the black box. Okay. Yes. These are coming under black box. Okay, here you can see the difference between the alpha testing and beta testing. These both are the acceptance testing. These both are coming under acceptance. And question are coming from here. Alpha testing is always doing by the developer in developer end. They will do in their developer environment. Beta testing is done by the customer in customer environment. Customer will do it in their environment, customer environment. That is the beta testing. Yes, all of you are correct. Black box, acceptance. Acceptance is not coming under black box. Here only you are getting confused. Sometimes you are mixing all that. Acceptance is the label. Acceptance testing are the label. It is not coming under white box or black box. Approaches. See that testing label are different and testing approaches are different. Testing label are different. Testing approaches are different. Approaches means how the testing is going on. How the testing is going on. So it can be in unit testing, in code testing, it is working on statement coverage, branch coverage, path coverage. Okay, so don't mix that. These are two different way we are dividing. So here you can see the difference between alpha testing and beta testing. Yes, now the next point is the maintenance. What are the different types of maintenance and why the maintenance is required? Out of the life cycle, 75% of the time is required for the maintenance. 30% time is required for the development, design and all testing. 70% time is required for maintenance, because after development maybe you will develop a software for 2 years. Now after that remaining 10 years you have to do the only maintenance work. So that's why maintenance is a big part of a software life cycle. More than 70% near about time is required for maintenance. So what we are doing, maintenance means it's not fixing the bug only. It is after development, no major changes. There will be no major changes. Some minor changes will be there. Unavoidable activity, that are the some broad activity can be there. There is no, we cannot avoid it. Error correction, enhancement of capabilities, like now workload is more, that's why there it is not performing well, so we need to do it. Delete the obsolete capabilities, what is not used by the user, so we will delete it. Optimization, and when hardware platform is changed, the software product perform some low level functionalities, then maintenance are required. Hardware is changed, so now we need to maintain it, and now maybe we have to re-engineer the product also. That is also the part of maintenance. So mainly software become old and unstable because of the changes in the platform and the operating system. So we practice the maintenance to improve the stability, quality and the performance of the software. That is called the maintenance. And these are the four important maintenance: corrective, adaptive, perfective, preventive. Four most important in maintenance: corrective, adaptive, reflective and preventive. So corrective means correction. Corrective means it is focusing on the defect, bugs, that is correction. Adaptive means keep on same up to date and changing environment, related to the environment, that is adaptive. Perfective means when it's required any new feature, new user requirement, or for every time we want to be perfect more, so that's why we are adding something new with us. So keep the software stable for a long period of time, that is the focus of perfective. Preventive means in future there can be a problem, so we are trying to prevent that by using modification or updation, that is called the preventive. So tell me the difference between corrective, adaptive, preventive and perfective. What are the main point? What are the main point of corrective, adaptive, preventive and perfective? I can see 32 are till now watching, and only 15 student like here. So other student can like. Till now I am talking, and you forgot to press the like or dislike button. So you can press the dislike button if you don't like it. Please press the dislike button. Corrective, fixing error, adaptive, new platform, perfective, enhance, preventive, looking ahead, future. Yes, good. Preventive means future. In future there will be no problem, that's why now we are doing some prevention, that is preventive. In future there can be some problem, that is prevent, and that's why now we are doing modification and updation, that is called the preventive. Got it? Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible, visible now? Now okay? Yes. Okay, so we did the all maintenance. Now there is the re-engineering and reverse engineering. So what is re-engineering? What is reverse engineering? So re-engineering means it is a part of maintenance only. Re-engineering is a part of maintenance only. When software get obsolete, then we have to re-engineer the product. Functionality will be same. There will be no change in functionality. Only, but we will change only the code. Maybe restructure. We will do the restructuring. We will rewrite the code also again. We will change the framework also so that it can be more maintainable. So concerned with taking the existing legacy system, re-implementing them to make them more maintainable. And it is reverse plus forward. First of all, we have to do the reverse engineering because the ready software is here. From the ready software, first of all, I have to understand the requirement. Then I have to fix the design. After requirement, I have to do the design. Then only we can go for implementation. So that's why we can get it. I attended your class for first time where I can get, you can get the PDF on Unacademy platform. Install Unacademy app, go to Play Store, install Unacademy learning app, and after that register yourself on NTA UGC NET category. Unlock your free plan using my referral code Priyanka C Live. This is my referral code. Go to my profile Priyanka Chatterjee. In community, you can get all the PDF. Every PDF will be available on community, and this will be helpful to you because from next week I am going to arrange the live mock test on Unacademy platform. Here the revision is going on. After revision, I will start again the live mock test throughout the syllabus. Any question from any part, there will be live mock test from same time 10:30 am. So those who have not joined till now Unacademy platform, definitely join it. It is free class. There also I will take free. It's free class, free of cost. Everyone can download it. Everyone can avail it. So that's why must do that. It will be very much helpful to you. Free classes, lots of free classes, free PDF, free mock test you can avail. Go to my community, follow me, and you can get all update there. Okay, yes. So now you can see here software engineering and reverse engineering. The existing software, this is the existing software. We can go to the reverse, then restructure, then forward engineering, then this one. Right, yes. We will start, don't worry. Next one is the MVC. MVC means model view controller. It is a framework through which we are dividing the total software development into three parts. Model means business logic, view means displaying the user view like HTML, CSS part, and controller means through which actually routes. Controller is bridge between the view and model. That is the model view controller, and it is also very important, model view and controller. So SCM we already did. This is the build management, process management, and the teamwork mainly doing. CMM is capability maturity model. What is the CMM? Is fixing the level of different companies according to the KPA, that is key process area. KPA means key process area. According to them, it is defined. It is done. So it is. You can see the CMM level. Level 1 means that is the initial new companies. Repeatable means that companies, those who are repeating same type of work. New companies, after that same type of work they are doing. and that's why they are focusing on project planning, configuration management, requirement management, subcontract management, and the quality assurance. Defined, when they are trying to focus on more process and project definition. So peer review, intergroup review, process definition, organization definition, training program, they are focusing on this area. Managed, where quality and quantitative management is the most important part. They are going to the next level, that is level 4. Now level 5 means it is optimized. For a long time they want to gain the success. That's why process change management, technology change management, and the defect prevention. These are the main focus of the optimizing level. So tell me what you saw. What are the 5 level? What are the 5 level of CMM? 5 level, and what are the main part? Sequence and 5 level. Main KPA, what are the main KPA of different level? Main KPA. Yes, good, very good, all of you. So the last one is the clean room approach. Just now we told that defect prevention. So clean room approach is the one way of that avoiding. It will try to avoid the defect. It is the philosophy where it is trying to avoid the defect, avoiding the defect. That is clean room approach, and for that it is focusing on formal specification, incremental development, structured programming, static verification, and statistical testing. These are the 5 main focus of clean room approach. It is also very important, 2 to 3 times question came from this clean room approach. This is also very important, must go through it. Now tell me what is main focus of clean room approach, and what are the main part of clean room approach. Main focus of clean room approach, and to achieve that goal, what they are doing, what to do to achieve the goal on clean room approach. Write down it, and in between I am showing you from where what you can do. Go to browser, and here you can see this Unacademy. Go to Unacademy platform, then you can come to my profile. Here you can see the profile, and those who will access from the mobile, they can install from the mobile. Go to my profile, after that it's getting little bit delay. Go to the profile. Here definitely follow me on the profile. Go to, and here you can see, if you see the see all, you can get the free classes. There are lots of free classes. If you click on the special class, free classes, free courses, special classes, click on the special classes. There are lots of special classes, free classes. You can watch, you can download the PDF, and more special classes are coming from next week. Today is Monday. From next Monday there will be the all live mock test I will arrange, and your computer science exam will be definitely after, from 25th only. We can expect it can be in March. Computer science exam may be in the month of March. So that's why the last week of February we will totally dedicate for practicing mock test. So definitely follow me here so that you can avail free mock test. Here more 4 units are remaining. We will do that. Tomorrow 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 classes I will take till February. Okay. Free classes here. You can try. You can definitely watch all the free classes. Try to cover all the free classes. Lots of free classes are there. You can watch, start watching today only. You can watch the recording. Start watching today, download it, go to community, download PDF also. Community here you cannot access, but from your mobile you can access the community. And unlock your free plan using my referral code. Okay? सब कुछ होगा, AI भी होगा, सब कुछ होगा. For every subject I am taking, I will take 7, 8, 9, 10, all that unit will be there. I will take all the unit, don't worry. ठीक है. Now after that you can unlock your free plan using my referral code. Unlock it and join here, and my referral code is PRIYANKACLIVE. That is the free. And if you are planning to take subscription, that is more good, because using this subscription you can avail my 3 classes regularly. I am taking class 5:30 am to 7 am. I am taking class 10:30, that is free class. 10:30 to free class. 2:30 PM I am taking class. Here the crash course is going on. Here PYQS course is going on. Computer science all 10 unit I am covering. And other educator is there for paper 1, and you can avail it. Here you can see that 6 month subscription if you are taking, you will get 2 month extra. So 8 month. If you are taking 12 month, you will get 16 month. So using this only, by paying this you can avail. So per month 1000 also not. Per month 1000 also not. Right. It is free. For unlock your free plan you have to use it. For unlock your free plan, otherwise you cannot unlock it. That's why. You have to, for unlock you need a code, so that's why you can unlock it. And using this code you can get here 20% off. If you are taking subscription, same referral code you can get here 20% off. Okay. Yes. Why coupon code? That is the reason. Otherwise you cannot unlock it. So for unlocking you need a key. So that key is the coupon code. So it's simple. Everyone know the business. So why you are asking? It's completely free. You can try. Try it. It's completely free. Other students are also doing it. You can also go for it. Okay. Chalo everyone. Bye. See you again tomorrow 10:30 AM. If you want to learn, then definitely you can join. All students, so many free learners are there. They are accessing it. You can do it. Okay, this is the total cost. I already shown you. This is the total cost 14,036. Within 14,036 you can avail 6 months. Here is the total 16 month you can avail using this price, and total 11,000 you can avail the 8 month. So it is very good. Within 15th you have to take the subscription, then only you can do it. Okay. Chalo. Bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. Bye.